So you want to set up a custom domain for your blog to give it that professional look? Great idea! Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. Step 1. Choose a domain registrar and sign up for an account. There are many popular domain registrars such as Namecheap, GoDaddy, and Google Domains. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 2. Find your perfect domain name and purchase it. You can search for available domain names on your registrar's website. Aim for a domain name that is short, memorable, and relevant to your blog. Step 3. Connect your domain to your blogging platform. This process varies depending on your platform, so check out their documentation or support center for instructions. For example, for WordPress users, you may need to update your domain name servers or create a CNAME record. Step 4. Set up an SSL certificate for your custom domain. An SSL certificate provides secure communication between your website and your users. You can usually get a free SSL certificate from your hosting provider or use a third-party service. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can set up a custom domain for your blog and start creating a more professional online presence. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.